Welcome, and thank you for joining us today at Terra Wells Middle School. My name is Roxanne Rivas, and I am Harlandale's Child Nutrition Supervisor. Today, we are going to have a look at our freshly made whole wheat rolls.
Hello, my name is Christina Macias, and I am the cafeteria manager at Terra Wells Middle School. Our whole wheat rolls are made from scratch and begin with wholesome ingredients. Here are the ingredients that go into our wheat rolls: whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, yeast, non-fat milk powder, sugar, salt, vegetable oil, and water. As you can see, our wheat rolls begin with real ingredients and no preservatives or additives of any kind. Our dough is now ready to prepare into individual rolls. It's now time to put them in the oven. There's nothing better than a fresh baked bread right out of the oven. And there you have it, wheat rolls. Only the finest ingredients and products used to make fresh food every day here at Harlandale. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed our inside look at one of the many items prepared from scratch by Harlandale Child Nutrition Department.